Hey everyone, today this is Ben the Business Guy with a couple of thoughts for you on how you can strategically save money and reduce your costs in your business. I know many of you have embarked on the entrepreneurial track, starting your own business, finding ways that you can contribute to the economy as well as contribute to your own family economy given the high unemployment and some of the corporate downsizing that's been going on over the last several years. So I want to chat about some important ways that you can approach this whole important topic of how to reduce costs in your business. First, you want to start with a budget. Now, I can hear you now. A lot of people are rolling their eyes. They're thinking about austerity. They're thinking about rice and beans. And that's not the way I want you to think about your budget. Your budget really should be a thinking or a planning tool. And that's probably the most productive way to think about it strategically as you look at either starting your business or operating your existing small business. So let's look at a couple of areas, actually three in fact, of ways you can use your budget to strategically reduce costs. First, the first item is unusual because people don't think about it, but the most valuable asset in your business is time. And how that time is utilized will have a dramatic impact on the kind of revenues you can generate in your business. Let's take an example of, let's say you want to make $75,000 annually in your business. And you want to make sure that you know how much your time is worth per hour. Now, to do that, you take $75,000 annually and you divide it by 2,080 hours, which is basically business hours in a week. 40 hours a week times 52. But you take $75,000, you divide it by 2,080, and you come up with a figure in this example of about $36 an hour. So what you want to do is you want to look at, is there anything you're doing that is not generating or that is less than $36 an hour? Because if it's less than your regular hourly rate, it's probably costing you money. Things like you're cutting your own lawn. You could probably outsource that, or you got house cleaning, or maybe you're doing your own bookkeeping and you can probably outsource that to someone that can do it better and less expensive than you can at $36 an hour. So that's one way to save money in your business. That's also going to increase your productivity, believe it or not. Secondly, more concrete, equipment purchases. Now, equipment purchases, things like, desk, a good office chair, your telephone, your computer, printer, computers, that sort of thing, things that you obviously are going to use as equipment in your business. You can utilize purchasing those either through a quantity purchasing group, whereby you're a member of this group, but you get the quantity discount of the entire group. That's one way to do it. You can also look at buying in bulk, obviously, and purchasing those items at a discount. You should never, ever spend full retail if you're a small or a new business just getting started. There's more than enough equipment around that's used that you can purchase at much less than full retail, and it still has substantial useful life. You can also look at areas to renegotiate service contracts, maybe contracts that you needed when you first got the equipment or video camera or whatever that you use in your business. And now, even though that's 4 or 5 years older, you could probably renegotiate or eliminate that service agreement, put that money aside, and you can save it for an unexpected repair. But in the meantime, that money is in your business, and it probably will save you quite a bit annually. The other area, and lastly, that I want to cover briefly, is technology. We are bombarded by technology, as all of you know, and you want to make sure that you're getting the most technology for your buck. And one of the areas that I think of off the top of my head is high-speed internet. As you know, with all the cloud applications, video marketing, online training, as a business, you really do need a vast internet connection. It's going to save you time. You're going to be a lot more efficient. And what you want to do there is if you bundle your internet with phone, even though you'll get more internet for maybe a little bit more money, you can save money because you're bundling it with phone. And usually that bundling will generate about 15 to 20% monthly in savings. So you get the speed that you need, but you get it cost effectively. And obviously, as I tell a lot of my customers and clients, you can cost effectively keep up with the speed of business. So those are just a couple of tips for you on how to strategically reduce costs in your business. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it was helpful. This has been The Business Guy. Look forward to seeing you during our next session.